Whoa! Who installed this Windows 10 virtual machine?
Well, the machine owner, obviously.
I know that, but who?
I honestly don't know.
Yeah, me neither.
Hey, you two aren't allowed to find that out.
And why is that?
Whenever the fourth wall gets broken, something goes wrong. Well, you definitely have a point. Man, I can't believe Microsoft replaced me with an even more annoying assistant this Windows version. Let me see what they replaced us with. Is this really the new assistant? Cortana sucks. It is trying to force us to log in with a Microsoft account. Well then, time to check out Microsoft Word. Wait a minute. Where is it? Clippy, I do not believe Office is installed. Besides, didn't you rate Office 2016 with a low rating when we rated Microsoft Office versions? Yeah, I guess you're right. Office 2016 sucks.
Whoa! What build is this? What? This version is too old. Besides, we need this computer on Windows 11 anyway. Hopefully everyone else won't mind. Wait, why is it not showing updates?
Hello, Bill. My good friend Sharky chewed the network cables in the ocean to prevent you from installing Windows 11 on this system.
Whoa! Talk about dedication. But guess what? I can remotely download it with my magical jetpack. Watch.
Really? Not cool. This is Windows 10 Desktop Skits, not Windows 11 Desktop Skits. PM Green. You moron. You broke the fourth wall. We're all doomed. Oh no. Guys, we gotta get out of here. You really thought I was gonna believe that lie? Wait, how did you know I was lying? You were literally a jack-o'-lantern. Those things are meant for a scary event, so of course you would be scaring people. I got something scary, too. What the heck is that for? You. There we go.
Welcome to the Microsoft OneNote. You can do multiple things with this really awesome Office software.
Bark, bark, bark.
Hey, where the heck is that noise coming from?
Bark, bark, bark.
Jeez. I can hear it all the way from my office. Reveal yourself now.
Bark, bark.
You're coming with me. Darn it. I lost him.
Better luck next time, I guess.
Deal with it.
Aha! You aren't getting away this time.
Oh yes I am.
Man, you gotta get better at catching these people.
I suppose I am due for some training.
Yo, it's the Blob Channel here. Today we're gonna explore this awesome freaking operating system. Greetings, Earthling. I'm no Earthling, I am Blob Channel. Well, I got a proposal to you. No thanks, this ain't no wedding. Not that kind, idiot. I am talking about time travel. That sounds freaking awesome, how do I sign up?
Don't do it. It will traumatize you. I lost my voice for a while when we went traveling with him.
Dang, that's crazy. Alright, let's travel. Love the attitude. Let's go. Wait a minute. Where's my TARDIS?
Oh, I had a little friend do something.
Wait, what do you mean?
Well, hello there. I don't believe we've been properly introduced.
Hey, where's my time machine?
Your TARDIS. I wrecked it.
Crap. Now I got to build another one. You all win this time. That was not cool, I wanted to time travel.
Trust me, you don't want to with that guy. He traumatized us.
I don't care about any of you.